Jaret
All right,
versus
back
Josh.
up. Back up, Jaret. Again. Versus Josh. This is going to be a great match.
This is in the gi.
Another one in the gi. I like the gi matches.
Yeah. Shows that the competitors are diverse and do both gi, no gi.
Yeah, I just love the collar grip. You can get a lot of control with that. A little bit extra leverage. Me as a small person, I need every bit of extra leverage I can get.
And Josh Whalen is an underwater weapons technician, so
Oh, that's interesting.
We're expecting to see some fireworks here today. Pulling guard.
Hold guard. Tried for a sweep right away. Didn't quite make it on top.
He's also the co-owner of the Halifax BJJ Society, where this event is being held. Another great team. Oh, Jared's attacking the leg. Going for the toe hold, I believe.
Looks like that was the intention, but couldn't quite get the grip on the foot.
The rogue events allow the knee reaping, so as opposed to the IBJJF rules for the leg reaps, but no heel hooks allowed. So.
Makes for some interesting opportunities to have that little switch.
All there for the safety of everybody.
Both want to be careful here about their next move. Kind of thinking about where to go with this.
Yeah, they both have the ankles, but trying to get that body control to finish it. Switching omoplata maybe. And still get the leg inside.
Still get the leg.
Still get the legs. Great control there on the bottom.
Maybe.
Keep that knee behind the butt there. Keep the pressure on. Keep the pressure on. Don't let him control your hips like that. There you go. But now hop.
It's almost by, but Jared got that straight arm on the collar.
Good pass defense. Classic.
Use those legs back and forth.
Simple but good.
Nice. Drive, drive, drive.
Josh, another great referee at our rogue events.
Yeah. A lot of great volunteers here. You see a lot of the same faces at these events, competing, volunteering.
It just helps the whole community grow. It's great.
Nice.
There he's by. Get the pass.
I really admire both of these guys' styles.
Fast. Take your time. Take your time.
Fishing out a collar there, maybe?
Jared making some space and back to half
Ah,
guard.
back to half guard.
Stay low, stay low. You want your head lower than his. Don't let him get underneath. Get his back flat to the mat.
Jared putting a hook in on the left
Head
side.
under his chin. Head under his chin. Grind. Good, nice. Up. Back down, in.
Tempted to sweep.
You're gonna get a close guard. Now square up, square up.
In the triangle.
No rushing there, no rushing there yet. Keep everything locked here.
Love the.
Transition.
Wow, very nice.
Posture.
Tap the sweep when Josh defended it into the triangle.
Sit back, sit back.
What I like about this position, you can transition to so many different things. Tap the arm, switch to omoplata,
Toss your head.
and there's the tap.
Yeah, that really takes away a lot of the defense that he can do. Nice job, boys.
Great match.
Respect there, little
Some
handshake.
smiles.
Lots of smiles. Jaret with the win, with the triangle. He's going to advance on.
He's moving on to meet Josh.